Hello everyone and welcome to the Infinity channel. Today we're going to see how we can free up unused or otherwise occupied space by MacBook Pro in your storage. This is to clarify, this is not clearing up or erasing your own files or folders. They're all going to be safe at the end of this procedure, but simply deleting temporary files and folders that MacBook keeps from different softwares or different procedures. And this is very much useful for people who have a hard disk space of 128 GBs, since they need their space cleared up. So first of all, let's see where we can see how much storage we have left on our PC. What we can do is we can just go to Spotlight Search, or we can just go to the MacBook Pro button. We can go for About this Mac, and we can go to storage. Here we can see how much space is occupied by which drive. I have two drives, but this is my main drive, Macintosh HD, which I'm using currently, and my operating system is installed at. So it's actually calculating how much space is used and how much is unused or available. Usually for a smaller hard disk space, you'll see this, it'll be almost full, and there will be other volumes and container which will kind of occupy most of your space. So that is the part that we're going to clear off. This part that's calculating, it's mostly your documents, videos, pictures, or any other files. So until it shows up here, let's see how we can do the cleaning of our hard disk. So what we're going to do is, as a first step, we can go to terminal, which is the command prompt for our MacBook. So this is our terminal window, and we can copy and paste this command, which frees up unused space from your MacBook. Now, as you can see, that this is the command part, and this part is actually referring to your disk, or disk that you want to clear. Now, how can we be certain that this is the same disk as we were going to use here? So how we can be certain that this Macintosh HD drive is same as the disk that they're using here? And so a way to determine the name for this disk can be from the diskutility function. We can again search diskutility. It's a better shortcut to search it from the Spotlight search. Here we go. So as you can see, we have three drives and three internal drives. Now, Macintosh HD is the one that you want to optimize. When we click on it, we can see that the device is actually named disk1s1. This can be 1s0, it can be 1s2, it can be anything, but whatever it is here, you just write it down here. Now once you get here, you just press enter, and the computer starts its process. As you can see, it's securely erasing by creating a temporary file. Usually, when your drive gets to full of its size, the recovery files or temporary files are being deleted. So that's what Mac does here. Mac creates a file for you, which kind of fills up the whole drive. And once the whole drive is full, it deletes all the temporary files or other unnecessary files from the computer. And then after that's done, it just deletes back the temporary file. So during this process, until it reaches 100, you'll be able to see that your storage will fill up until full size of 248 in my case. In your case, it could be anything. It could be up to 500 GBs, or it could be 120 GBs. So the whole drive will fill up, and once the process ends, it will clear back up to actually even lesser than the current available current occupied size. So it's 140 GBs. It might end up being even lesser because it will clear some temporary files. Now, if we wait, we can see that this file keeps getting filled up. As you can see, it's 0.13, and it's now 140.07. As you can see, it keeps filling up the drive, and it will just keep going on doing so until it reaches 100%. So that's all for today. I hope this helped you clear up some space in your MacBook and make it more usable. Uh, Subscribe to our channel and like and view our other videos too. Thank you and goodbye.